Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sign up to Goitask.com. Goitask is a website that you can write article and list it for sale. So instead of waiting for buyer or searching for buyer to pay for your article experience, you can just come to this website, write the article, paste it there, list it for sale just like this. As you can see on my screen right now, these are the articles that have been listed by some other writers for sale. The first one here right here is 20D above, and that one is 20D above here also. This one is listed for 17D. So it was writers like you that listed this article, and when buyers that needed article come to this website, they're just going to place an order on any article they are interested in. As you can see, this written article right here is named 5 excuses people give for cheating that is total lies. So this is kind of relationship article, this is kind of finance article right here also. And another article right here is on wedding. The category is wedding, so you can write article on any niche that you are professional in. So there's no restriction on the topic you can write article on, and also there's no restriction on country. So if you are from any part of the world, you can actually use this website to make money. So I'm just going to walk you through the sign up process, and you can do it as I'm doing it right now, so or just watch this video to the end, understand the sign up process, then go and sign up as a writer also. So once you come to this website, I'll leave the link to this website in the description below. The name of the website is .writer. So once you go to .writer, come to this section where it says writer, and that's where you're going to start your registration process. Let me quickly show you something at this side. After the sign up, what next is just to present your first writing, okay? And their payment method is PayPal. If you don't have PayPal account that you used for receiving payments online, you can contact me through the WhatsApp group in the description below. Contact me through the WhatsApp group. I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account that you can use to receive payments online. So with that being said, let's get to this site where it says sign up to get started. So this is the place you are going to put in your information. So when you click on sign up, it's going to take you to this side, and the first part here is your username. So your username is different from your real name, okay? So you can just put anything. Your username is like a nickname. So for me, I'm going to put this one right here, Daniel180. The password, you write whatever you want to use as your password, you write it there. So that part has been filled, and this part is where you put your information, your name, your email address, gender, and your country. So for me, I'm going to put my information here, put my email address, choose the gender, and at this side where it says user type, you check on writer because you are signed up as a writer. So this country part also, put in your real country. You are not restricted of your location. So at this side it says write a short bio about yourself. So you can create a bio pertaining to a writer. Okay, what's the kind of bio you can put in as a writer? You can just write, I am a certified blog writer on relationship niche. So you might not use this, you can use whatever that comes to your mind when it comes to bio. Okay, bio is just something about you. For me now, I write under relationship, and I can also write under any other topics too, so I just use this as a bio. So you can put anything you like at that side, and check here where it says I'm not a robot. So you check everything right here. So you click on I agree to the terms and condition. So now that you have signed up to the website, you can quickly explore the website after signing up, but make sure to confirm your email address. For me, showing you the registration part, I use Tempmail. So this is the Tempmail I used. I can verify my email through the Tempmail, but I have the real account I'm using, so I don't need to do that. So for you that are using your real name, email address, and other information, make sure you confirm your email address. A message will be sent to your email address. Just click on the link there where it says verify your email. So you are just going to verify your email through that. So for you that don't know how to write, or you don't have any experience in writing and you want to use this website to make money for yourself, so you can quickly come to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a writing software. So though it do more than writing, you can use it for a lot of things. You can use it to draft article, you can use it to generate ideas, you can even use it as a chatting partner, whatever you want to use it for. But it's very good in writing. So you come to chat.open.ai. I'll leave the link to that also in the description. So you come to this website, ChatGPT, you log in. If you have an account already, you log in, but if you don't have an account, you click here where it says sign up. So I'm just going to log in with one of my Gmail accounts right here. Now, as you can see, I've logged into ChatGPT. This is the interface of ChatGPT. So assuming you want to write an article under weight loss, once you finish writing the article, you are going to paste it in the marketplace. So in the marketplace right here, this is the marketplace. So you can choose any topic ranging from business, entertainment, communication, computer, fashion, finance, food, weight loss, whatever. So let's just try creating an article on that business. So assuming you want to use ChatGPT, for those that doesn't have experience in writing, you can use ChatGPT. Okay, so assuming you're writing article on that business, so just tell ChatGPT, give me article ideas on that business. Give me article ideas on the business. As you can see, it's already generating the article ideas, and from all the article ideas it's currently generating, you're just going to pick one of them, whichever one you like, because you can't just use everything. Okay, so you can save everything in case of other writings you're going to do in the future. So for example, now if I'm just going to write on that business and submit it to the website, I'm just going to choose one of these. Let's choose this number 5, the power of personal branding for entrepreneurs, building trust and influence. So if you have taken this particular title, you can just tell ChatGPT to write a 400 words long on the title. So write a 400 words long article on this title, and it's just going to help you to do the writing, so you don't have to stress yourself too much. So after writing that, just put the title in front of it, then click enter, and just going to help you write a 400 words long article on the topic. So you can later do some editings after reading it. Okay, so you just don't submit whatever it writes for you just like that. You have to read it and understand it by yourself and do some editings you like to do to the article. So you are going to format it. So this is how you can be generating an article even if you don't have experience in writing. So guys, this will be the end of the video. If you like this video and this video helps you in one way or the other, please click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel, because I drop updates like this every week on this channel. So the next update I'm going to drop is on a particular website also that also pays a lot on doing writing. So stay tuned for that. See you guys there. Bye.